To fix an HP docking station that is not working or turning on, start by checking the power cord and ensure it is properly connected to both the docking station and the power outlet. Verify that the power button is functioning correctly and that the docking station is receiving power. Next, check the firmware of the docking station and update it to the latest version if necessary. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues and prevent the docking station from working properly. You can check for firmware updates on the HP website. If the issue persists, try resetting the docking station to its default settings. This can be done by pressing and holding the reset button, usually located at the back or bottom of the docking station, for a few seconds. Release the button and wait for the docking station to restart. Additionally, ensure that the docking station is properly connected to the laptop or computer. Check the connection type, such as USB or Thunderbolt, and verify that the cable is securely connected to both the docking station and the laptop. It is also essential to check for any loose connections or damaged cables. Inspect the cables for any signs of damage, such as frays or cuts, and replace them if necessary. Make sure all connections are secure and not loose. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reinstall the docking station drivers. Go to the HP website, download the latest drivers for your specific docking station model, and follow the installation instructions. Finally, if the docking station is still not working, it may be a hardware issue. In this case, contact HP support for further assistance or to request a replacement if the docking station is still under warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with your HP docking station.